Today we are installing a battery in a tractor. Got a hydraulic 440 there. Got a customer pulled up, put a battery in this right here. Let's see. I think it's probably 35 or 24 probably.
Maybe. I don't know if it can be too tall though.
Well, you know a 26R fitting though. You got a 59. That'll work.
It's actually, if I had to bring them up,
It said it's going to need
Huh?
at least like 800 to 1,000 crank.
800 to 1,000 crank nails? Okay, I got you. Okay. All right.
I just want to see if this will fit, because this is what that's at.
Yeah, there's something we can jump starter
There's hose on
I
there.
gotta look at the
There's no rocks, but it's definitely touching this hose right here.
hose rod touching it.